Hi, Kathy. It's Mrs. Six. I just figured this would be easier to go in and show you a video, and hopefully that way he'll be able to find the assignments and then the readings and things that he's looking for. But for English, everything is in the classroom. So the students did have a few books sent to them, and I explained this to them, I think, on the first day in orientation, that the books that they actually had sent to them from OHVA, they actually are not going to use those books in our class. For some reason, I don't know why, they send them and they're not actually in our curriculum that we use. So we've tried to get them to switch to like, we read Fahrenheit 451 at the end of the semester, end of semester two. And we really want, I think they send them The Alchemist, and we were trying to get that switched, but for some reason they haven't switched any of it out. So everything that he has is online. So what you're looking at right now is actually his English classroom page. I'm signed in as him. So, and I'm actually gonna delete all these discussions for him to get that off of there. So it's just kind of a pain to have all those in there, but you can delete, do like a mass delete and just mark all threads as read. So he can actually go and still and read them all. It's just not going to have that notification. Now he just has the assignment feedback up there. So that kind of takes all of those notifications away. So if he goes into content, obviously we have the class planned, but I like for the students to know where to find things through content. So that's going to be one of the big things that he's going to want to make sure to know how to get into. So as we go into the classroom, we are looking at 11, I think is what you were referring to. That's what I emailed about. If not, I can also show him where the most dangerous game is, and that's what we're going to start reading today. But 11 was here in week or unit one. So as you go through and click through them, and it'll take just a second to open, there's a read and learn folder. So the actual story 11 is in that. So this lets me know that he has accessed those pages. So those check marks means that he's opened these pages up. So 11 is there. So I'm not sure if that was what he was referring to, or if it was a different one, but obviously that is that's the real short story for 11 to that, those were for that assignment. So then, oops, wrong page, sorry. Back to content. I'm not used to going through the student view, so it's a little different. So then this week, they're starting the most dangerous game. So it's in the same folder. So it's in that read folder. So today, he's going through reading these pages. This was what he should be focusing on today. And he hasn't done that yet, obviously, because those check marks aren't there. And then read is where he's going to go in, and it's before you read, can meet the author, but the most dangerous game is right here. And it's 9 pages long, so it's not super long, but it is a pretty good short story. And we read part of this today in class together in Class Connect. So he can actually watch the video if he wants. And then on Wednesday, we're going to read more, and on Thursday, we're going to read more. So Class Connect this week. Usually my Thursday is an optional help session, but the content's larger this week, so I'm requiring that they come on Thursday as well, for Class Connect. So hopefully that helps you. I think that was probably your question was probably about the most dangerous game. So my concern with the email was that he was submitting those blank and random assignments. So I just want to make sure he doesn't get in the habit of that, because it will end up with him just getting a 0 on everything. And we don't want him to go down that rabbit hole. It's just not good. So if he would like to submit them and honestly work on the email assignment, the 11 point of view worksheet, and the 11 point of view writing assignment, I am not opposed to him doing those and resubmitting them, but I cannot be another blank or random assignment, or I will definitely have to follow that class policy. So, but I'm always willing to help if they reach out, or if, obviously the learning coach reaches out with that. So it's up to him. He has that option to try and raise that grade. And then obviously by either watching the Class Connects or attending, he's definitely going to get more out of, especially this week with us reading The Most Dangerous Game. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.